One was certainly inventory. I had too much in my brain. I had too much in my brain. I created a spreadsheet of an approved supplier, list, where before we opened up, I tried to identify best suppliers, and because of availability and price and all that stuff. But there was still a lot of work to be done, and I was juggling so much in my head about what do we need today? What do we need next week? Of course, I didn't even know how much to expect for sales. What are our volumes going to be? It was just like, I guess, in the dark at the very beginning. And I had to figure out over time how much to expect, the physical space on our shelves, how much space I have to work with, and how to fit stuff in here, because it's not unlimited, it's quite limited. I mean, this doesn't belong to me, and the rest of the hall doesn't belong to me. I had to figure out just the physical challenge of, where do I put these boxes? Is this enough? Do I have, a two-bin Kanban where one's open and one's closed, right? And lower or raise these to be the right size in the middle of the daily chaos. So inventory was a ton. To prove how much of a mess the inventory was months prior to this, here's a quick blast from the past. All right, it may not look like it, but I made a ton of progress here the other day. Doesn't look like it because it's still getting overwhelmed with all kinds of stuff. Why? Well, there's a handful of reasons why. Next on my list is these shelves. I got to condense them. I'm wasting some vertical space, and I can do better. So here we go. Okay, we're back. Here's what I did in the last half hour. I raised actually all three of these levels a few inches so I could fit these packaging things down there. I'm not buying anything. I'm just cutting up the existing packaging so that I can use that. And it's a lot more tight, as you can see. Hey there, beautiful. And a problem I'm trying to solve is all of this. So please understand, I didn't transform the inventory in just 1 week. I kept chipping away at it until the overwhelm was gone and my brain was free to focus on other stuff. I did go to Kanban, not because I think Kanban is magic. I used Kanban to get it out of my head so I could make it visual and I didn't have to think about what had to get done. So degreaser, the reorder point is each. So I have a set number of cards for lemonade. It was, six quantity of a 52-ounce lemonade. I did the hard work thinking up here based upon some sales to come up with quantities, so then I didn't have to think. That was the problem I was trying to solve. I didn't do Kanban because it's clever and cool and it's a lean thing. I did it because I was solving the problem of too much of my brain power is locked up thinking about inventory. I need a purchasing system, so I'm going to leverage Kanban to make it visual and to make it more brainless. Yeah, I still had to think about things, but the overwhelm was way reduced and I could focus on other problems.